Hello everyone, I'm Janet. I'm glad to have this opportunity to share Avalue's intelligent traffic solution with you. Before introducing our solution, I would like to talk about today's traffic problem. This year, the world's population reached over 7 billion, and 70% of population, almost 5 billion people, live in the urban area. The world are becoming increasingly urbanized, so the issue of traffic has paid close attention in urban governance. Especially not only in Taiwan, even in the whole Asia will struggle in the problem of traffic congestion caused by mixed traffic flow. There are 3 cities in Asia which rank in the top 5 worst traffic cities in the world. Besides traffic congestion, traffic safety and equipment management are also the Asian problem. So let's get into point to share our achievement on solving these problems. First of all, equipment monitoring management system. It aims to solve the problem of lacking manpower in management traffic equipment. When the traffic light is broken or disabled, we use minority current and LP1 technology to let administrators monitor the real-time status of outdoor signals. Not only does this reduce the cost of human patrols, but also effectively reduce repair and maintenance time. Overall, it improves the quality of traffic service. We have already established this service in 25 rush intersections in Taipei. Secondly, dynamic traffic signal control system. It aims to solve the problem of traffic congestion. As urban population increase and infrastructure did not set up comprehensively, traffic congestion will be more and more terrible. So raising up the roads use is necessary. Different from today's centralized management structure, we use USDOT intelligent traffic theory, which is 3-tier structure: intersection, section, and road network, to develop these systems. This system integrates edge computing and traffic signal controller to meet the need of dynamic traffic signal control. We truly operate our system in 5 intersections, which are in Wufenpu government area. It to enable 10 to 50% reduction in traffic congestion during the peak hours. It also worth mentioning that in Taiwan, even in the whole Asia, only Avalue use edge computing in the roadside, and our IPC suffer complicated weather conditions in intersection and has not happened any unscheduled shutdown for 6 months ago. Move on to collision warning. For traffic safety, collision warning is developed to apply in unsigned intersection. The system uses AI recognition and roadside LED board to avoid blind spots and reduce potential collision. As we calculated, a car running at a speed of 6 km/h needs 3 seconds to get the center of the intersection. Our system needs only 1 second to give road user a launch message. So we left 2 seconds for road user to take action to avoid accidents. In fact, this service in Taiwan zones reduced accident rate for 63.7%. This video will show the real situation. We can see the signage to show the alarm message when a car is coming from another side. Last, for 5G, we believe that smart city has strength connection with smart traffic. Besides traffic, in smart city, what's more important is communication, such as 5G communication. So we affirm that is a perfect match for integrating our solution with 5G. Because of limited penetration, small cell will become increasingly common in future to improve both the coverage and the capacity of the network. Importantly, we implanted powerful computing and roadside equipment in the intersection, so we could provide the signal control and traffic data for the IOV applications, such as the information like early warning can be broadcast to the road users, and also meet the need of vehicle to roadside. So the intersection will be the perfect spot to become the ready-made small cells. It could not only reduce the setup costs, but also the cost of searching perfect spot. Interesting thing is that setup cost is higher than the hardware itself. With 5G small cell, it could speed up bonding or intersection together. Moreover, telecom industry can provide comprehensively communication service for residents, and it makes the win-win situations. Thank you for listening, and I hope you enjoy my sharing.